Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Speaking and Listening Club. I'm really happy you are here with me today. In this video, we're going to talk about a very powerful and very practical topic, the morning routine of successful people. While you listen, remember, you are doing two important things at the same time. You are learning how to build a powerful morning routine for your life, and you are practicing your English listening and speaking. I will speak clearly and slowly, and sometimes I will ask you to repeat after me. When you repeat, you are training your mouth, your brain, and your confidence in English. Let's start with a simple question. Why do mornings matter so much? Think about a normal day for many people. The alarm rings. They hit snooze. The alarm rings again. They check their phone, scroll social media, read messages. Maybe see some bad news, see someone's perfect life on Instagram. They already feel stressed, behind in comparison in the first 10 minutes of the day. Then they rush, skip breakfast, forget something, arrive late or just on time. And the whole day feels like they are chasing time. Now think about successful people, not just famous people, but anyone who lives with purpose, energy, and direction. Their mornings are very different. Their mornings are not an accident. Their mornings are a choice. Let me tell you a short story to show this difference. Imagine two friends, Ali and Marco. They work in the same office. They live in the same city. They have the same salary. Both want to improve their English and grow in their careers. Ali wakes up every day at the last possible minute. His alarm rings at 7 o'clock. He hits snooze until 7:30. He opens his phone and scrolls for 15 minutes. Now it's 7:45. He jumps out of bed, rushes to wash, quickly dresses, maybe drinks a little coffee and runs out the door. On the bus, he scrolls TikTok or Instagram. At work, he feels a little tired and chaotic. He did not decide his day. The day decided him. Marco also wakes up at 7 o'clock, but when his alarm rings, he gets up. He does not take his phone to bed. He drinks a glass of water. He stretches his body for a few minutes. He sits down, closes his eyes, and takes 10 deep breaths. Then he opens a simple English video and listens for 15 minutes, repeating some sentences out loud. He looks at his notebook, where he wrote his 3 most important tasks for the day last night. Now it's 7:30, only 30 minutes. But his mind is clearer, his body is more awake, and he knows what matters today. After 6 months, who do you think will feel more successful, more confident, more in control of life? Ali or Marco? Same job, same city, same time of waking up. The difference is the morning routine. The secret is this: successful people do not wait to feel like it. They design a morning that gives them energy, clarity, and direction, and then they follow it most days. Now let's talk about what successful people do in their mornings. Step by step, in a way that you can copy and use in your own life. First, successful people decide that mornings belong to them, not to their phone. This is where many people lose the day. The first thing they see is a screen, messages, notifications, news, drama. Their brain goes into reaction mode. They are not leading their life. They are reacting to other people's lives. Successful people often have one simple rule: no phone for the first 20 or 30 minutes after waking up. Instead of immediately checking social media, they check in with themselves. Let's practice a sentence together. Repeat after me. In the morning, I control my phone. My phone does not control me. Again, a little stronger. In the morning, I control my phone. My phone does not control me. You do not need to be perfect with this. Even if you reduce phone use by a little bit, your mind will feel the difference. Second, successful people wake up with intention, not confusion. Intention means they remember why they are waking up. They remember their goals, their values, their dreams. Some of them use affirmations, short, powerful sentences they say to themselves. Others quickly read their goals. Some simply ask, "How can I make today a good day?" You can do something very simple. When you wake up, before you stand, put your hand on your chest and say one short sentence. For example, "Today I will grow." Or, "Today I will use my time well." Or, "Today I will practice my English." Repeat after me. "Today I choose to live with purpose." Again, "Today I choose to live with purpose." This small act puts your mind in the right direction. Third, successful people take care of their body early in the day. Your body and your mind are connected. If your body feels heavy, your thoughts will feel heavy. If your body feels awake, your thoughts will feel clearer. Most successful people do something physical in the morning. It does not have to be a gym workout. It can be simple, stretching, a short walk, a few exercises at home, even just 5 to 10 minutes of movement. They also drink water. Because the body is usually dehydrated after sleep, you can start with something like this. After you get out of bed, drink a big glass of water. Then roll your shoulders, stretch your arms, move your neck gently, do a few squats or walk around your room. If you have more time, you can walk outside or do a short exercise video. Repeat after me. When I move my body, I wake up my mind. Again. When I move my body, I wake up my mind. Fourth, successful people feed their mind with something positive and useful. Many people feed their mind with random content, gossip, negative news, angry comments. That is like eating junk food for the brain. Successful people know that the first information in the morning is very powerful. So they choose carefully. They may read a few pages of a good book. They may listen to a motivational talk, a podcast, or a personal growth video. They may read a short article about their profession. Or, like you, they may listen to an English learning video that also teaches mindset. This is where English can be part of your successful morning routine. Instead of only watching entertainment in your language, you can spend 10 to 20 minutes with English content that inspires you. Imagine this. Every morning, you open English speaking and listening club. You listen. You repeat sentences out loud. You think about the ideas. You are not just learning English, you are programming your mind for success. After 6 months, not only is your English better, but your thinking is stronger. Let's repeat. In the morning, I feed my mind with positive and useful ideas. Again, in the morning, I feed my mind with positive and useful ideas. Fifth, successful people connect with their goals and make a simple plan for the day. They do not try to carry hundreds of tasks in their head. They choose a few important things and focus on those. Many successful people use a notebook or a planner. In the morning, they look at their top 3 priorities. They ask, if I finish these 3 things today, will I feel that today was successful? Then they put those 3 things into specific times in their schedule. For you, your 3 things might be simple. 1 thing for your body, 1 thing for your English, and 1 thing for your work or future. For example, walk 20 minutes, practice English for 30 minutes, and finish that important task at work. You can do this planning at night before sleep, or in the morning during your routine. The key is to be clear before the day gets busy. Repeat after me. Every morning. 1. Choose my top 3 actions. Again, every morning. 1. Choose my top 3 actions. Sixth, many successful people practice some form of quiet time. This can be meditation, prayer, deep breathing, or just sitting in silence for a few minutes. The world is loud. Your phone is loud. Your mind is loud. Quiet time helps you become calm and centered. You do not need to sit like a monk for 1 hour. Even 2 or 3 minutes can help. You can simply sit, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing. Inhale slowly through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. When thoughts come, you notice them and let them go. Let's try 3 breaths together now. Breathe in slowly through your nose. And breathe out through your mouth. Again, breathe in. And out. One more time. In. And out. Now repeat after me, softly. A calm mind helps me have a strong day. Again. A calm mind helps me have a strong day. 7th, successful people include gratitude in their mornings. Gratitude means feeling thankful. When you start your day with, I don't have this, I don't have that, my life is hard, your energy becomes low. When you start with, I am thankful for this, I am thankful for that, your heart opens. You can simply think of 3 things you are grateful for each morning. It can be very simple. I am grateful I woke up. I am grateful I can hear. I am grateful I can learn. You can write them in a notebook or just say them quietly. Let's practice together. I am grateful for this new day. Again, I am grateful for this new day. I am grateful for the chance to learn English. Again, I am grateful for the chance to learn English. So now, let's put everything together in a simple example of a successful person morning routine that you can start using. Imagine you want a 30 to 40-minute routine. It could look like this. You wake up and do not touch your phone. You sit up, put your hand on your chest and say, today I choose to live with purpose. You drink a glass of water. You stretch or move your body for 5 to 10 minutes. Then you sit quietly and take 5 slow breaths. After that, you open this channel and listen to an English video for 15 to 20 minutes, repeating some sentences out loud. While you listen, you also get positive ideas for your life. When you finish, you write down 3 things you are grateful for and your top 3 actions for the day. Then you start your normal day. Is this routine complicated? No. Does it cost money? No. Is it possible even if you are busy? Yes, because you can wake up just 30 minutes earlier or reduce some evening phone time and sleep earlier. But is it powerful? Yes, if you do it most days. Your mornings will change, your days will change, and slowly, your life will change. Now, I know what your mind might say. I am not a morning person. I am too busy. I tried before and failed. These are normal thoughts. You do not need to become perfect tomorrow. You can start small. Maybe in the beginning, your morning routine is only 10 minutes. Drink water, breathe, and do 5 minutes of English. After 1 or 2 weeks, when this feels easy, add more. The most important thing is not the length. The most important thing is consistency. Do a little, but do it often. Before we finish, I want to guide you through a short imagination exercise. It will help you see your future mornings. If you can, close your eyes. If you cannot, just imagine with open eyes. Take a deep breath in and out. Imagine it is 3 months from now. You have been doing your morning routine most days. You wake up and your body already knows what to do. You drink water. You move, you breathe, you practice English. You choose your top 3 actions. You go to work or school feeling more calm, more clear, more strong. People notice that you are different. You are more focused, more positive. Your English is slowly getting better. You feel proud because you know that you are living like a successful person. Even if you are still on the way to your big goals. Feel that for a moment. Feel that confidence in your body. Now repeat after me. Softly. I can build a powerful morning routine. Again, I can build a powerful morning routine. My mornings will create my future. Again, my mornings will create my future. Take one more deep breath in and out. and open your eyes. You do not have to copy every detail of someone else's routine. You only need to create one that fits your life and supports your goals. But remember the elements we talked about. Less phone, more intention, some movement, some positive input, some English, some planning, some quiet, some gratitude. These are the habits that successful people use again and again. You are not so different from them. The main difference is the routine. And you can change your routine. Starting tomorrow morning. Thank you for spending this time with me, for practicing your English, and for working on your future at the same time. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.